Welcome for today's class of science. Today's question is taken from class 7 science. So take down today's question. A simple pendulum takes 320. Okay. So it is 32 second. It is 32 second. Okay. 32 second to complete 20 oscillations. How many oscillations? 20 oscillations. So what is the time period of the pendulum? So here for 20 oscillations it takes, for 20 oscillation it will take 32 seconds. Okay, so for one oscillation it will be x. Okay, we have to find out, right? So 20 multiplied by x is equal to 1 multiplied by 32. So here it will be 20x. So let us find out for 30 oscillations how much it will take. So x is equal to 32 upon 20 you all have to do, right? Then you all have to cancel and see what answer you all are getting. 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 ones are 2, carry 1 to 6 are 12. So your answer will be x is equal to 16 upon 10. But how in the decimal form how you will write down is, therefore x is equal to 1.6 second. So I hope you'll have understood how to do this, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates.